Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Babilous Corner. We're just reading books and learning colors. Ain't that right? Mahooga. We got some puppy love. We got some Cat in the Hat. We got some My Big Animal Book. We got some colors. Her favorite book right now, colors. Learning the colors like YouTube. Yeah. All right, everybody. This is Princey. We are learning the colors today. All right. What is this color?
This.
Purple. Can you say purple?
What?
What is this color? Red.
What?
Red. What is this color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
What is this color? Black.
Black.
What is this color?
Emma.
White.
Black.
What is this color?
Black.
Brown.
Black.
What is this color?
Black.
Green. What is this color?
Yellow.
Orange. Yeah. Wow. Learn the colors today. Whoa, who snap in the red car? It's an alligator. What is this color? White. Baby. Ha. Yeah. Now we do it with video. Oh yeah! Hand, fingers, thumb. Hey.
Hey guys, what's up?
How y'all doing?
Hope you guys are having a good day out there. We are out in the rain. I should probably put my seatbelt on. I'm back. Babilous cold.
It's that rain. It's cold.
We are on our way to Walmart. Get some. Oh gosh.
Walmart? Sorry.
Yeah, well, Walmart is further, so we might as well go to Walmart first. And then come to Party City. And then we're going to Party City. So yeah, we're gonna get a few things. And then we will be hitting up Party City for 10 balloons. For a challenge that we are going to post for you guys. So wish us luck. Hopefully it goes well. Oh, there goes our pictures again.
Oh yeah. Forgot about that quick.
guys, we finally made it to Walmart. He on his phone. Baby Prince sleeping. So our list already started changing because we can't decide what we want to eat the next couple of days. So. Princess was sleeping, so we put her in her stroller. But now she up. Of course. Here on box of yellow rice. And right here. And probably jambalaya rice. Maybe. Yeah. We have macaroni, right?
A couple more boxes.
Okay. We should be good. Don't think I need anything from there. Don't think I need anything from there. Need some sugar. $2.28 it is. Need some pure sugar. Of course, she not asleep no more. So I need sugar and you need eggs and sausage. That one came from Target, I believe, but they have turkey ham over there. But the ones that's already sliced, I think they got them from Target. I know. Sausage. I don't know what kind of sausage. What? Mama, can you say hi? Say hi. You're so sleepy, I know. I know you are.
What?
Okay. We don't need one of these. Can you pick one of those round things for the dirty rice? For the jambalaya rice, I mean. I don't even know what we're getting. Great. Excuse us.